Hey there, friends. Are you ready to make some changes in your life? Are you ready to take that first step towards the life you've always wanted? Well, today is the day. And I'm here to help you get started. Let's start by taking a moment to reflect on your life as it is right now. What's working for you, and what isn't? What makes you happy, and what leaves you feeling unfulfilled? Once you have a clear understanding of where you are, you can start to map out where you want to be. Now, I know this can seem like a daunting task, but don't worry. You've got this. You're strong, resilient, and capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Of course, there will be challenges along the way. There will be moments when you feel like giving up, when the road ahead seems too long and too hard. But that's okay. You can't let those moments define you. You have to keep pushing forward, one step at a time. And as you do, something amazing will start to happen. You'll begin to discover parts of yourself you never knew existed. You'll find strength you didn't know you had, and resilience you never thought possible. You'll start to see the world in a whole new light, with possibilities and opportunities that were once hidden from view. So, my friends, are you ready to take that first step towards the life you've always wanted? Let's do this together. Make a plan, set some goals, and start moving towards your dreams. And remember, I'm here to support you every step of the way. Let's make it happen.